we are not here to put blame on any administration, but to fix what is damaged. My husband is not a magician. He's going to work break by break, and I believe and I hope that he will have faith in this administration. The best is yet to come for us.
I wonder why some people will just be parading themselves to some peoples, claiming that they are pastor. Pastor Remi Tinubu of Redeemed Christian Church of God. Are you worshiping God there? Are you pastoring sheep, wolf, and grass cutters? Or are you pastoring humanity, humans created by God? Look at what we are saying. Look at what a pastor that climbs podium telling lies. See, let me tell you, Remi Tinubu doesn't know what he's saying. But God is the one that will punish all these bloody politicians later. You are mounting the pulpit of the Almighty God. At the same time, you are playing politics with people's life. That Tinubu is not a magician. A magician, he go and grab what belongs to another man. Remi Tinubu knows quite clear that Tinubu did not win an election. Look at what he's telling the world. Shame on to her. She's not in the position to talk this kind of trash to people. She of course knows that Tinubu does not know anything about economy. He doesn't have any clue what it takes to be a charismatic leader. And she's still coming out to the stage to tell the whole world that her husband is not a magician, a dead husband. Listen and listen good. Your husband did not win election, number one. You are not a good pastor. 3, you are not a good woman. You can tell that trash to your cattle and cows and goats, wherever you are keeping them. We are Nigerians. I'm an Igbo man. I'm not a goat. I'm neither a goat nor a cow. So tell it to the cows. Tell this to the goats. Those statements are not for humans like us. I'm telling you, he neither won nor what supported by any Nigerian. APC political party is dead. We are just under what? Duress. Nigerians under duress. No, it's true. Ruling Nigeria. So
you don't have hope that he will unite the
country? No. Unite who? His family, are they united? Tinubu should reunite APC people, usurpers. The ministers, are they united? In the whole office of presidency, are they united? Are they united? What are we saying? We don't need to be at least, suffering ourselves or bruising our bodies over a failure. Over failure. Failure is a failure. All these people, they turn their backs on justice and peace and love. So they should tell it to animals. I think they are talking to animals. They are not telling it to people like us. I'm the last person that would believe a wicked, cruel trash. That woman that doesn't know anything about morality. A woman that has turned her back on morality. And she was claiming. They were saying he was a pastor. Which pastor? I can't watch people under the same roof with a wicked woman like that. That her husband is not a magician. Not talking to people like us. He should go and tell it to the people in the House of Assembly. Yes. He should go and tell it to all those chickens, goats, camels, and cows. Not us. So I don't believe what she's saying. She's just talking trash. I can never see any newspaper and the headline is, what the First Lady? Who is the First Lady? I won't read. Because I know that nothing good can ever come out of it.
You cannot unite people by force. That's and I've been saying that Nigeria is not one. And Nigeria can never be one. You understand? We have different ideologies, we have different mentalities, and we have different ways we think. I'm from Abeokuta State. I'm an ekpa person. I don't think like a full animal. You understand what I'm saying? An Igbo man again does not think again like a full animal, or even a Yoruba man. So we have our ideologies, we have our identities, and you cannot by force say we must stay together. You see, the problem is that Africa is just you just put us together as one. We are not one. There are many nations in the whole world that some of them are 3 million, 2 million, 1 million population. So must we be like this? What are the unity? You say unity. The unity now, what is the benefit of unity of Nigeria is the question. Tomorrow, now for example, is Biafra Day. Those people are going to celebrate their own victory against against, because it's a victory. After the civil war now, because Yakubu Gowon said that he has crushed Biafra, according to him. Now, have you been able to crush Biafra? No. Are Biafrans, I mean, the Igbo, are they not alive today? They are alive. They will celebrate their day tomorrow. You understand? I'm a Yoruba person. I have the Oduduwa spirit in me, the Oduduwa blood. I'm not. You cannot say by force. I should be thinking like a Fulani. Let me tell you now. Everybody is out of Nigeria. It's only the poor people. The people that are enjoying Nigeria now are only the politicians and maybe the Fulani people. You understand? They are enjoying Nigeria. For example, the oil in Nigeria Delta, the people that own the oil, they are not enjoying the oil. Go and check it. People that have the major oil well in Nigeria Delta, they are the Fulani people. The people that have the oil, they are suffering. That's talking about. So people have seen that the way these things are going, there's no hope for them, and they are tired of it. And I cannot blame them. You can, like I've been saying, you cannot beat a child and ask the child not to cry. That's what I mean. So if an Igbo man says I'm tired of Nigeria, he has his reasons. After the civil war, he said 3 R's: reconciliation, reconstruction, and rehabilitation. Which of them have you been able to do? In the whole of Nigeria, the Southeast have the least federal presence. That is the truth. You can get angry, it's your problem. Jesus says, I've been saying it in John 8:2, I shall know the truth, and the truth will set you free. The truth is that the Igbos have been treated in Nigeria as a second-class citizen. It's the truth. So when people say you are tired, I understand why they are tired. Yoruba people now say they want Oduduwa. Today they are tired. They are tired. Who will be tired in this country? You are tired now. Only politicians are enjoying the country. They are buying cars for 60 million naira. In the midst of poverty, in the National Assembly, they are sharing money. The poor people on the street. So, okay, for example, today is 1 year of Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the president. What have they benefited? They are just crying and regretting. That is the thing. I am an obedient. I am for Peter Obi because I think that man has something to offer. But the people that said no, he's an Igbo man. Don't let us vote for him. Okay, are you now enjoying the government? That is the thing. So if we cannot agree to be one, if we cannot come together as one, if we cannot see ourselves as one, then what is the benefit of one Nigeria? Understand? If you let me give an example now, if you want to enter into unitary school in Nigeria, it's a fact. Common entrance, and a Yoruba man must have higher mark, Igbo man must have higher mark, and Hausa man will have lower mark. To enter, I'm giving an example. If you say a Yoruba man must have like 100 mark, Igbo man 100 mark, Fulani man like 20 mark. Now with that mark, they were at the same school. When they now graduated and there's a job at the Federal Civil Service, the first person to get the job will be a Fulani man, and you expect the country to go forward. And now somebody will now tell you, pray for Nigeria. You cannot pray for a goat to become a cow. Prayers does not work where there's no equity, justice, and peace. There must be equity and justice for prayers to work. Listen, oh, pray for Nigeria. Pray for Nigeria, 1942. Pray for Nigeria. You have been praying for Nigeria how many while? But it seems like the prayers are not answered. Even we saw even this over the weekend. A pastor explained why he had to leave Nigeria. If a pastor that is rich would leave Nigeria, what are you talking about? The poor people. Understand? So these are what the people are facing. So you understand? So we should tell ourselves the truth as at now, the nation is not working. You understand? Say the truth and shame the devil. There is no two truths. Like I said, nobody can. When I said that, nobody can stop Biafra. Some people are angry, saying no. Whether you like it or not, you cannot stop a sun from shining. Biafra cannot be stopped. It's a spirit. It's an ideology. I'm an Oduduwa person now. It is in my blood, it's my spirit. Now if you kill me, the spirit is there. Okay now, Ikembanewi, Dim Odumegwu Ojukwu is dead, but the spirit is alive. That same spirit of Biafra is alive today. Assuming the spirit is not alive, nobody is talking about Biafra. But even a little girl of 8 years, 9 years, they know something called Biafra. So whether you like it or not, it is a spirit. So when Uzodima said, oh, don't celebrate, I look at him, are you not you are a Biafra. Whether you like it or not, whether it favors you or not, you are a Biafra, it is in your blood. Every Yoruba man is an Oduduwa man, every Igbo man is a Biafra man, every outside is an Arewa man. Sorry. Listen. So you cannot give what you don't have. So it is time for the people to tell ourselves the truth. You understand? It is time for people to tell ourselves the truth. Enough of these lies, of this propaganda, of this game and gimmicks. I'm a kind of person. I look at myself. I said, okay, this is the truth. Biafra cannot be stopped. It is the truth. What can you do? Is to make sure that there's peace, there's security for everyone, and everybody has equal opportunities. But because there's no equal opportunities, the people will now be saying, we want to go, we want to live. But if Nigeria is working well for people, and everybody have access to their resources, nobody will be saying want to live. But because of the injustice in Nigeria, so everybody is saying they are tired. You cannot beat the child, like I always said. I ask the child not to cry. So the truth is the truth. So you cannot force everybody to stay as one. Nigeria is like a forceful marriage. You cannot force a woman to stay in marriage. You understand? Nigeria is like a forceful, like you are forcing somebody to stay in marriage. You cannot force somebody to stay in marriage. It's not by force. That marriage cannot be peaceful. That marriage cannot stand. That's what Nigeria is where it is today. You are forcing me to stay in this marriage. You are beating me every day. Stay in this marriage. The marriage cannot stand. That's what Nigeria is. We are different ideologies, different mindsets. An igbo man wants to do business. A Yoruba man wants to go and learn work. The other man wants to go and be begging food up and down. Are they the same? A Yoruba man has children, no matter how poor he is, he wants to send his children to school. After he sends to school, let's go and learn work if he's very poor. An igbo man has a children go to school. After going to school, go and serve Oga, then you can become something for yourself. A full animal, you give children plate to be begging for money. They are not the same. So we are not the same. We are not the same. Let us tell ourselves the truth so that we can be set free in this part of the world. You understand? Nigeria is not one. We can deceive ourselves every day. One Nigeria, yes, but in reality, it is not one. The truth must set us free. You understand? So our president's wife should tell his husband that the people are hungry, they are angry, they are tired of the government, and it seems that there's no hope. So they should at least even his fellow Yoruba people now, they are saying the big power means we are hungry. So it means that the government is not working, it's not favoring them. So that means again they should up the ante and make things work, because at now things are not working. And okay, let me give you an example. I left something here, my tiger, no, somebody has stole it. You can show it. I left it here. That means there's hunger. So that's what I'm talking about. So in Nigeria, we should tell ourselves the truth, so that after we have known the truth, we let us free. Tomorrow is Biafra Day. Every Igbo man is a Biafra man. I wish them, I don't know what I said, I'm not, but happy celebration. I'm not against them. They have not done me anything wrong, so, and I love them. So God bless every Igbo man that are celebrating their Biafra Day. If Oludua Day come, it's my day. I'm Oludua. I'll celebrate. So God bless them. For every Biafra man, happy celebration, long life, and all of you will prosper in Jesus' name. Every Biafra man, happy celebration.
Well, sorry, if I may just ask you this: do you think, but if they were to, unite the country together, do you think any tribe will not agree to that? Do you think some tribe will kind of kick against that?
If you want to unite the country, you must let everybody manage their resources. Understand? So let every man manage. Let Yoruba manage their resources. Let Igbos manage their resources. Let Hausa manage their resources. Then we can have that's what Ojukwu wanted. Dimodumego Ojukwu, Letike Banewi, that's like a confederacy. In a nation, manage your resources. But then maybe they don't understand and everything. And the civil war started. So what I'm saying is very, very simple in essence. Let everybody manage their resources. But Nigeria, one like this, it will never work. Don't deceive yourself. One Nigeria it cannot work like this. With this injustice, with the way they are treating the Igbos as second-class citizens, you cannot expect it to work like this. So I understand why. Even now, even as your Bible too are saying they want to go. I understand why they want to go too. People are already being disillusioned by the country, and the country is not working. You understand? So the country is not. If Nigeria is a human being, I would say, let me give you an example. India was one nation before. When they saw that they cannot live together, Pakistan moved out of India. Bangladesh, they too left India. So if you cannot work, let everybody find their way. By force. You cannot join me as somebody that we don't have the same mentality together. So I understand why they are angry. So I understand. So I understand why everybody say let us manage our, so let us face ourselves. Let Igbo man be Igbo president, Yoruba president, Asama president. But this one Nigeria, we have been trying it and it's not working. And we can't be deceiving ourselves. It's not working and I don't think the way it is going, it will never work. You understand?
Thank you.
We are not here to put blame on any administration, but to fix what is damaged. My husband is not a magician. He's going to work break by break, and I believe and I hope that you will have faith in this administration. The best is yet to come for us.
Today marks 1 year Tinubu in office. What do you think about Tinubu government for this 1 year, this last one?
See, come. God will bless you. Good morning to everybody in Nigeria and outside. Our viewers, God will thank them because they are hearing us. See, let us be frank with ourselves. Tinubu in 1 year in government is a meaningless. Meaningless. Zero. See, let me tell you one thing. It's not saying that if you pay the minimum wages, Nigeria will be bankrupt. What is the meaning of that language? Subsidy, they are still paying it. See, House of Assembly, they are collecting almost 20-something, 30-something million. Senator, House of Rep, 20-something million. Okay, what about the workers that are doing the work? You can't pay the minimum wage. Every day you take them to a corner, you do meeting. At the end of the day, the meeting no get liver. You don't get money. See, let us be frank with ourselves. They should bury their face in shame because they failed the test. You came with almighty authority, and now take it. Either take it, either fall. You can't do anything. 1 year, no minimum, no sincerity in their heart, in their spoken word. All is propaganda. All is brainwash. How long will you be brainwashing Nigeria? We are tired of them. We are tired of them. We give them the pass mark of a zero. They don't have one, they don't have two, they don't have three. It's zero. 1 year, Nigeria is now abject poverty la tikita. Abject poverty la kritika. Wickedness suffering. When they say suffering and smiling those days, we should know that we buy things accordingly. When they say suffering and smiling, those days you don't know, you see the buy a cara for kobo. But now look at the motherfucking whole house we are. The continuity of our external language about the independence of today, say Independence Day or Democracy Day. Two of the language is not affordable. It's a zero language. See, you can't be celebrating when the people that you are governing, they are suffering, they are dying. Who is going to celebrate with you? Is it the few that you calculated and you arranged them douchey? See, we don't see douchey because we don't see anything to eat. Look about that woman that is selling on the table there. 1,000 naira can never even satisfy your stomach. So where are we talking? What are we saying? And where are we going? Just a 1 year is like a 100-year disaster for Nigeria. 200 million Nigeria. They are suffering in abject poverty that they never see in their life, in the history of Nigeria. Nigeria never come across this situation. You are telling me that we must suffer now to live tomorrow. How will we suffer now to live tomorrow? What of tomorrow? This that we are perishing, and Nigeria is perishing. See, let us be frank with ourselves. The truth is bitter, but the truth is the truth. Nigeria is not well at all. Truth is dead in Nigeria. They can't tell you the truth. Why will they tell you the truth? Because if they tell you the truth, they will out of the corridor of power. And they are going to be out of the corridor of power. Because one day, it can be night, it can be tomorrow. Tushini is coming. The NSAS, they never believe that NSAS will come. One day, NSAS came. All youth, face the federal government, face the state government, and they run and they surrender. Now, what is coming out is massive revolution. Youth, father, mother, brother, sister, small boy, everybody come outside and face them. Physical face, fire and kill all of us. Then they will know that no celebration of Democracy Day. This hungry celebration, suffering celebration, celebration of iniquity. Why in Nigeria? The giant of Africa with all mineral resources, go and see the paper, trillion, billion. Where are the money? Liquidated in the pocket. You're telling me to stand and celebrate. Celebrate what? Celebrate injustice. See, let us be frank with ourselves. The government on stand now is nowhere to be found because truth is not in their home. They try to brainwash Nigeria. This is the last brain. They say renew hope after change. Where will you be changing language? Because you know that the language you are bringing is to accumulate people. Accumulate people. At the end of the day, they don't see your secret. You not change the language. Change. Everybody run follow change. Change fail. Renew hope. Fail woefully. Take now your turn. Take it first. And now see the street of Nigeria. See everywhere. Wickedness of the demonic places. Never in the history of the Federal Republic. Nigeria outside, they are crying. Because the people here, they are hellfire. When you say hellfire in earth, here we experience it. You can't eat, you can't even walk, you can't even travel. All the other bandits, kidnapping, all unnecessary language is here now. Where? Where's the government? Look, River State, Wike Fabara, problem. Look at the recent one in Kano. Game of throw. Can you imagine a palace and a two emir in a present situation? Lawlessness. How will you go live? You hear different story every day. Go to Edo State, the Oba and the governor. See, all those are particles of the head. When the head it do demonstration that is not available, that is not acceptable, the down will do it. All is doing it. And you say we are celebrating. See, let us compromise. Let us come together and let us do the reality. Let their mind check for themselves and let them speak the truth to you and I. That truth will set us free, and that truth we will know. Yes, tomorrow is tomorrow. Tomorrow is tomorrow. Know that tomorrow almost going to June and notice working. The suffering increase. Okay, who is liar? Me or the government? You say you will pay the minimum wages. How much do you pay? You don't pay 1 naira. You just brainwash the teachers and the workers. Why are you doing like that? The National Assembly, Akpabio, Governor, 8 years. Minister of Nature, nyanga. In a cave, in a budget, in a body, so trillion to their own pocket. Where is that guy that bring the application? Everything is silent. Nigeria, everything you hear is story, is history. One day, Nigeria, father, mother, brother, sister, everybody will equip together and march to their house, march to the corridor of power. Let them know it happened in a country. They march to the Aso Rock, and the Aso Rock there, they run away. They will flee. See, let me give you an example. SARS, nobody believed that SARS and SARS one day will come like that. Every day you walk in the street, policeman will stop you. Brutality. One day, God say, now is a day. Take it. Nigeria cat fire. Just only
the achievement of Tinubu is that number one, the fuel price was increased. The price of food went up. Everything went up. Salary was nothing to write home about. And the man, our president, is saying that he inherited a country that was bleeding. What a shame. How can a president be saying he inherited a country that was bleeding, but they are no longer bleeding? What a shame. Listen to me, sir. This party called APC, Association of Political Criminals, has nothing but to deceive, to kill and destroy Nigerian citizens. They came in with change. This government came in with change. When they came in with next level. Now they came with renew hope. Listen, the Yoruba people used to say, Iropo. This government is the worst Nigerian government, is worst and has nothing to offer. I want to say this. Nigerian citizen, it is high time we tell ourselves the truth. We have not started doing election. They are still doing what?